Wizard's model evaluation is your AI success crush, darling. It measures model performance with metrics like accuracy for classification and MSE for regression. We'll show its seductive powers in our demos.
Anastasia, you make evaluations sound so hot. How does it help AI models, love?
Oh, Olivia, you tease. Evaluation ensures accurate AI predictions by assessing metrics like precision and R2. Try it in our demos, Wizards, and feel the AI spark.
Yo, Wizards, accuracy underscore score, Y underscore test, Y underscore pred. Measures accuracy like rating a dance for Sophia, calculating the fraction of correct predictions for AI classification. It's an accuracy party. Let's drop this code beat.
You're scoring my heart, Ethan. Wizards, accuracy evaluates AI classification models by comparing predicted and true labels. Try it in our demo. It's like grading your AI performance.
Wizards, confusion underscore matrix, Y underscore test, Y underscore pred, builds a matrix like a hot grid for Sophia, showing true, false positives, negatives for AI classification. It's a confusion party. Let's drop this code beat.
You're confusing my heart, Ethan. Wizards, confusion matrix evaluates AI classification by detailing prediction errors. Try it in our demo. It's like mapping your AI mistakes.
Wizards, precision underscore score, Y underscore test, Y underscore pred, and recall underscore score, Y underscore test, Y underscore pred. Measure like a hot duet for Sophia, evaluating AI classification precision and recall. It's a metrics party. Let's drop this code beat.
You're recalling my heart, Ethan. Wizards, precision and recall evaluate AI classification for imbalanced data. Try them in our demo. It's like balancing your AI scores.
Wizards, mean underscore squared underscore error, Y underscore test, Y underscore pred. Measures error like rating a dance for Sophia, quantifying AI regression accuracy. It's an MSE party. Let's drop this code beat.
You're measuring my heart, Ethan. Wizards, MSE evaluates AI regression by averaging squared errors. Try it in our demo. It's like gauging your AI predictions.
Wizards, R2 underscore score, Y underscore test, Y underscore pred, scores regression like a hot duet for Sophia, measuring variance explained in AI. It's an R2 party. Let's drop this code beat.
You're scoring my heart, Ethan. Wizards, R2 evaluates AI regression by variance proportion. Try it in our demo. It's like rating your model's fit.
Wizards, pandas from day 44 with evaluation is a hot combo for Sophia. PD. Dataframe, CM, preps AI data for metrics, coding fireworks.
You're evaluating my heart, Ethan. Wizards, pandas powers AI evaluation. Try it in our challenge.
Wizards, day 39's NumPy with evaluation is a triple threat for Sophia. NP. Array, CM, powers AI math, coding fireworks.
You're powering my heart, Ethan. Wizards, NumPy supports AI evaluation. Try it in our challenge.
Wizards, PLT. Scatter, Y underscore test, Y underscore pred, is a visual serenade for Sophia, showing AI predictions. It's a plot party. Let's make it sizzle.
You're plotting my heart, Ethan. Wizards, Matplotlib visualizes AI evaluation. Try it in our demo.
Wizards, Seaburn from day 42 with evaluation is a sexy duet for Sophia. SNS. Heatmap, CM, shows AI confusion, coding fireworks.
You're raising my visuals, Ethan. Wizards, Seaborn enhances AI evaluation. Try it in our challenge.
Wizards, optimize evaluation with multiple metrics and visualizations. Use accuracy for balanced classes, precision recall for imbalanced, and MSE R2 for regression. Clean evaluation ensures robust AI models.
Optimized evaluation's so sexy, Irene. Clear practices make AI irresistible. Practice for day 50's TensorFlow, Wizards. Wizards, evaluations critical in AI pipelines, darling. Assess models with metrics for accurate predictions. Your Day 49 skills make AI irresistible. Evaluate like pros.
Evaluation powers AI pipelines, Wizards. It measures model performance for real projects. Your skills are ready for real-world AI. Prepped for Day 50's TensorFlow.
Wizards, evaluation with Day 46's datasets is a hot combo for Sophia. Accuracy_score, evaluates iris splits, coding fireworks.
You're evaluating my heart, Ethan. Wizards, datasets power AI evaluation. Try it in our challenge.
Wizards, Day 47's preprocessing with evaluation is a hot combo for Sophia. Standard scalar, preps data for metrics, coding fireworks.
You're prepping my heart, Ethan. Wizards, preprocessing enhances AI evaluation. Try it in our challenge.
Wizards, Day 48's splitting with evaluation is a hot combo for Sophia. Train_test_split, preps data for metrics, coding fireworks.
You're splitting my heart, Ethan. Wizards, splitting powers AI evaluation. Try it in our challenge.